Raw honey is a type of honey made by bees from flower nectar that is pure and unfiltered. It is believed to contain healing properties that can offer quite a few positive health benefits for the human body. This explains why raw honey has been used as a folk remedy throughout history. With that said, the question remains, can it actually help with weight loss? That is exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. Now let's make one thing clear. I am not suggesting that you start adding dozens of spoonfuls of honey to your daily diet. After all, it is a form of sugar that is fairly high in calories. However, it is likely a good idea to consider where you can swap regular sugar with raw organic honey. And science backs up this claim. In fact, numerous studies have shown that people who replace sugar with honey can experience several positive health benefits, including weight management. One study even suggests that honey may activate the hormones that help with appetite suppression. More research is needed in this area. However, if you're looking to shed a few pounds, you could likely benefit from making the swap from sugar to honey whenever possible. Not to mention, raw honey is known for providing several other positive health benefits as well. Some examples include, it reduces inflammation, boosts the immune system, maintains healthy blood pressure, improves digestion, improves cholesterol, lowers triglycerides, suppresses a cough, soothes a sore throat, and promotes better sleep. These are just a few of the many reasons why you can consider adding raw honey to your daily routine. As previously mentioned, just don't overdo it because honey is fairly high in calories. Simply eat 1 spoon per day first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results. With that said, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. But real quick, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully what you learned in this video was helpful, and it goes to show just how beneficial raw honey can be when it comes to improving your overall health. If so, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you want to dive even deeper, we do have a full guide on our website. I'll drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.